Hello, my name is Richard Board and I am the engineer for Kipor UK. I do hope you find these videos useful. Now I'm going to show you an oil change on an IG6000, and it's the same procedure for an IG3000. First, start the machine up and leave it to run for 5 minutes to come to temperature. Open the side door, remove the battery for access. Behind the battery on the floor, remove the rubber blanking plug. Place a plastic container under the cutout, loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the oil to run through the cutout into your container. When the oil is finished running, replace and tighten the drain plug. Fill the oil using the container supplied until the oil is to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Insert the dipstick, wipe it clean, insert it again and check that the oil level is shown at the maximum. When the oil is at the correct level, close the doors and the machine is ready.